In an incredible discovery, paleontologists unearthed the fossilized remains of a gigantic snake in Gujarat, India. The scientists are amazed as the age of these fossils is 47 million years. It also tells a lot about Vista's era of Earth's history. This ancient predator, named Vasuki indicus after the Hindu serpent king, is estimated to be the largest snake ever to have existed. Intriguingly, the name Vasuki appears not just in science textbooks but also in Hindu literature. Once upon a time, in the vastness of Hindu literature, there lived a mighty sage named Kashyap and his two wives Kadru and Vinata. Kadru yearned for 1,000 sons, while Vinata wished for just two, but one superior to Kadru's progeny. In time, Kadru was blessed with 1,000 magnificent sons, among whom was Vasuki. Destined for greatness, Vasuki was born second only to Seshnag, another powerful serpent. Their lineage traced back to the divine creator Brahma himself through Kashyap and Kadru. Vasuki, the Serpent King, held a special place in Hindu literature, closely intertwined with Bhagwan Shiv. Legends tell that Vasuki adorned Bhagwan Shiv's neck, symbolizing their sacred bond. He even became Bhagwan Shiv's bowstring, aiding in the destruction of formidable Tripura. But Vasuki's deed didn't end there. In the epic Mahabharata, he encountered Bhim, Pandu's strongest son, in the depths of an underwater kingdom. Through their meeting, Vasuki bestowed upon Bhim the gift of enhanced strength, further elevating the hero's prowess. A pivotal moment in Vasuki's tale unfolded during the Samudra Manthan, the cosmic ocean churning. Dev and Asur united in a quest for Amrit, the nectar of immortality, at the request of Bhagwan Vishnu. Yet they faced a daunting task, finding a rope capable of encircling Mount Mandar to churn the ocean. At this critical juncture, the divine entities turned to Vasuki for aid. Without hesitation, Vasuki agreed to become the churning rope, binding himself to Mount Mandar. With his immense strength and sacrifice, the ocean was churned, revealing treasures and eventually the greatly desired Amrit. Vasuki's role in the Samudra Manthan cemented his legacy as a revered figure, not only among the Nagas but also in Sanatan Dharma as a whole. Impressed by Vasuki's unwavering devotion and selfless deeds, Bhagwan Shiv chooses to wear him around his neck. So unearthing the colossal snake fossil in Gujarat not only expands our knowledge of ancient creatures but also echoes the proof of the majestic tales of Vasuki in Hindu literature. Until next time, Namaste.